Title story: Magic School Under Tree. Once upon a time, in a charming village nestled between rolling hills and lush greenery, there stood a quaint little town called Evergreen Vale. It was a place where laughter echoed through the streets and the sun always seemed to shine a little brighter. And in the heart of this picturesque village, there stood a majestic old oak tree that had witnessed countless seasons pass by. Legend had it that this magnificent tree was enchanted with the spirit of learning and wisdom. Its branches reached out wide, casting a protective embrace over the land. The townsfolk believed that the tree held magical powers, capable of nurturing young minds and fostering the love for knowledge. One fine morning, as the first rays of sunlight peeked through the leaves of the old oak tree, something extraordinary happened. A group of woodland creatures, led by a wise old owl named Professor Hoots, gathered around the tree's roots. They were chirping excitedly and hopping around in anticipation. "Good morning, friends," called out Professor Hoots in his hooty voice. "Today is a momentous day. It's time to open the very first school in Evergreen Vale." The animals cheered with delight. Squirrels chattered, rabbits hopped, and birds tweeted their joy. They all wanted to be part of this magical place of learning. With a sprinkle of magic dust and a wave of Professor Hoots' wing, the old oak tree shimmered and transformed. Its branches became classrooms, its trunk turned into desks, and its leaves transformed into colorful books and scrolls. Word spread quickly throughout the village, and soon, a bustling crowd of eager animal children gathered beneath the tree. There were rabbits, foxes, hedgehogs, and even a family of deer, all eager to begin their educational journey. Professor Hoots, with his round spectacles perched on his beak, stood proudly in front of the new school. "Welcome, dear students. Today marks the beginning of an extraordinary adventure. Here, in the shade of this enchanted tree, we shall explore the wonders of knowledge together." The school bell, made from a tinkling acorn, rang out, signaling the start of the day. The lessons began amidst the rustling leaves and the gentle whispers of the wind. Professor Hoots taught the young animals about numbers using shiny pebbles, the alphabet through cheerful songs, and the wonders of nature with interactive outdoor classes. As the days turned into weeks and weeks into months, the little school under the oak tree flourished. The animals learned not just from books but also from the world around them. They discovered the joy of friendship, the thrill of exploration, and the satisfaction of learning something new every day. The school became a place of laughter, curiosity, and endless discoveries. Each evening, as the sun dipped behind the hills, the animals bid farewell to their beloved school, eager to return the next day. Please help subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching my video. See you soon. I wish you good luck.